to the Friday with Friends St. Patty's Day collab. I hope you're ready for some fun. We're going to be celebrating St. Patty's Day throughout our whole train tonight, and I hope you're going to have a good time. And we do have a giveaway today. Now, all the rules for the giveaway will be down in the description box, but it's mainly you need to be subscribed, you need to like, and you need to comment on all 5 videos tonight. So, let's get down to the canvas and have some fun. Okay, for our St. Patty's Day, we are working on a Artist Loft Level 3 Gallery Wrap canvas. This is a 12 by 12 inch. That to the side. I am working on an open cup pour tonight. Have a little fun. So our colors, our base coat is going to be mainly Amsterdam titanium white. There is also some leftover of the Shide eye candy pigment, which is like a pearl white, that was mixed up in some gloss gel for my Phoenix project, and I just mixed that into the paint. That gloss just makes it nice and thick. That is going to be our base coat. Then our colors are going to be Folk Art in the green gold. That's Folk Art Treasure Gold, green gold. We have Liquitex Basics in lime green. You'll notice there's a trend here. We have Liquitex Basics in Hooker's Green Hue Permanent. And I have Decor Americana Decor Metallics in Emerald. Those are my greens. Then I've got, of course, Decor Americana Decor Metallics in 24K Gold. And then, similar to what I did with the white, I had some TLP Zeus that was mixed into some gloss gel for my stenciling, and all I did was take that leftover and mix it with some pour medium and water, and it is now a paint with the TLP Zeus. All the paints today are mixed with mixed pour, so if you want to get some mixed pour, contact Krista at Krista8974. I'm sure she'd be glad to help you out. So we are going to work with my open cup. We're going to flood the canvas, we're going to put on the open cup, we're going to have some fun with our green and gold colors and see what happens. So let's get this canvas flooded. I do have it on the spinner. I may not be spinning this. It's just easy if it's on the spinner to move it around while I'm working on it. Want to sort of seal that cup down so that you're forcing the paint to go under the white paint. That's the trick. And you always want to pour into your open cup from up high, not too close, so that you're forcing some pressure down in to make the paint come out. And we're first going to torch this just a little, because I see a lot of air bubbles out there. Okay, that'll do. So we're just going to start one color at a time and go for it. I want to just pull that cup off. You want to sort of slide it off so that it doesn't you're not making a mess there. Slide that all back this way just a little. Bit of tilting, so I want to sort of stretch it around a bit, see what comes up. Back to the center a bit. I think we are going to spin this a bit just to see what happens. Why not? Not a lot though, just a little. Just letting it percolate just a wee bit more because I keep seeing things coming up. So give it a slow spin. Just see if that helps. Spread us out a bit. Up a little more. Tilt a bit, and then I think we may spin a little more. And we'll see what I like and what I don't like. Fix my corners up a little bit, I think. Some of these drippings, especially these ones that are a little too white. I'm going to finish cleaning up. I'm going to get it off this turntable. I see a little goober right there I got to pull out, and then I'll bring it in for close-up. Okay, we have wet results. This is so cool. You can see all the different shades of the green. You can tell there's two different shades of gold. So many cells popped up and stretched out. Look at this over here, where those cells sort of stretched. They're just like lines now. Oh, so pretty. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. Hang in there for dry results. Okay, we have dry results on our Friday with Friends St. Patty's Day special contest train. Oh, it came out so beautiful, people. Look at my pot of gold. Oh, green cells. Look at the cells here. Oh, just gorgeous. And I don't usually paint with green, but I am loving this. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. Now, this is part of our special St. Patty's Day Amazon gift card contest. So in order to win that contest, you must watch all 5 videos. You must like, comment, and subscribe. This is for US mainland only, and it's a $50 Amazon gift card. All the rules are listed in my description box, along with the playlist for tonight. After me is Joanne Ralston Art, and the rest of the links are also in my box. Thank you so much for being here, everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.